All right, so the next feature we're going to highlight here is how to create and use notes. So you can do this a couple of different ways. You could start from the dashboard and just create a note right here. Just hit new note. And then you can go in and start typing. And if you wanted to change the name or rename the note, you would just hit edit metadata and then save. Now, the other way that you can do this is we'll go back to the dashboard here and say you wanted to create a note within a specific opportunity. So we'll go into this opportunity here, and notes lives within here as well. So if you have a factory walk and you want to recap that, you can do it like this. And you could keep track of your notes there. And then you can obviously go in and create a new note for video 2. Save. And then start typing here. So a few different ways that you can create notes and stay organized as you're tracking opportunities.